Hey guys, what's up? And we are going to be doing a sword and shield unboxing. And we got more Pico right there. He's a hollow. And we got a coin, which is Garchomp. Let's get right into it. You see, we got 3 packs. We got Zacian. We got Snorlax. He's very mad. I don't know why. And
he's eaten in a couple days.
Yeah, he's gotten really mad. Okay, we're going with forgot to show you guys the code card. There you go. And the more Pico hollow card. And so the coin. Garchomp. And let's do doing Snorlax. Oh wow, this thing is.
I think the card trick is 4 cards.
Yeah. I think so. Oh! They concreted it. Come on,
they
people.
Concreted the goods in there. The gold card.
Okay, here we go. If we pull a VMAX, I'm probably going to poop myself, but don't worry, you can't smell it. Oops. Solid green. Here's the code. There's the code.
4 cards.
4 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yep.
4 Forethrower.
Heatmore.
Metal Sauce. Whatever that was. Boltoy. Wooloo. Hey, it's a sheep. That's pretty nice. We got a Joltik. Sandit. Colobus. I don't even know. What is that? Cannon
and
Drompa.
Those are rare.
Okay, now we're going with Zacian. He's got a little sword in his mouth. Don't want to eat that. They cemented this pack too. Come on, guys.
I don't know why they cemented in Drompa in there because it's not that cool.
Yeah,
they must have cemented in the gold card in this one.
Come on, just open up. Got it. Ugh.
Ooh, we got a Spro Bunny. Solid green code.
Solid green code. Got the code. 1, 2, 3,
Guess the energy.
4.
Guess the energy. I'm going with water.
I'm going with fire.
Fire?
Fire!
Oh.
Got it. Got a fire energy, a speech.
A sweet.
Again? Seriously? A Raboot?
A
Raboot. A Scrum Bunny. What, is that a teacup?
It's a teacup.
Wow. Maracatus. Oh, look at that Pikachu. Ooh, that thing. I don't want to mess with that. Galarian Stunfish. Durant. Come on, last pack. Come on. Okay. Why do they cement these cards?
They cemented in a Durant. Why would they cement him in there?
I don't know. Come on.
Let's not look at the. Let's not look at the code.
No code.
White and green.
White and green
code.
There you go.
There's the code.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay.
Come on. Ooh, dark type.
Energy.
Okay. Dark energy. Eldegoss. I don't know. Air balloon. Palpad. Yamper. Little dog. Scorpy. Kalbukas. Wooloo. Sobble. Bisharpin. Oh my god! Recap time. Okay, this is like the only good card.
So it's just recap, and then we got it was the Mario.
We got more Kipu, whatever that is, and a Keldeo V. And we got a Pikachu. I guess that's pretty cool.
That's it for today, guys. And remember, if you guys ever get a moose, the mud spray, remember to rip it. Ninja
just remember
out.